Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another episode of Infrequency at MC at RTP YouTube channel. My name is Shika, and today I'm going to be telling you a story on how my skin went from this to this due to Mercury. Before I begin, don't forget to give this video a like and leave a comment in the comment section down below. So Mercury. When we mention the word Mercury, everyone would know that it is a chemical. And a chemical is scary, especially if it's included in a skincare product. And that is what happened to me. So it begins when I was 13 or 14 years old, only starting high school. I was a very active student. I was joining sports here and there, and naturally when we are exposed to the sun in a huge amount, our skin would get tan. So my 13-14-year-old self wanted to clean my skin back up again. And at that time, I had very little knowledge about skincare. But what I do know was, my mom was using this set of skincare. I thought it would not cause me any harm. I just wanted to get clear skin again and just brighten up my skin back again. Because I was so tan. I was so tan due to being exposed to the sun so much. So I started using my mom's skincare products. Unfortunately, neither me nor my mom knew that the skincare products contain Mercury. So when I was using it, my skin went from being very tan to being very fair again, and I was so happy. The transformation was so drastic to the point that when I went to school, the prefect at my school literally accused me of wearing makeup to school. So when my skin got better, I stopped using it. And the thing about Mercury is, once you start using it, you cannot stop using it, because when you stop using it, this is what will happen to your face. But I was so naive, and this is what I had to face for the past 3 to 4 years of my teenage life. But what I got from this was, now I am a woman with a lot of skincare knowledge. And now my skin is left with all these very deep scars that I sometimes get very insecure about. But through this experience, I just learned to love myself more and more and more every single day. I'm 21 years old now, and if there's anything that I would say to my younger self, I would tell her that she is very strong and she is very smart. I wouldn't be who I am today if it's not because of her. And I really hope that we can be more cautious in the new and viral products that are being shoved to our face now, because social media is literally ingrained in our daily lives. And I really hope that all the parents that are watching this would be cautious once again to the products that your little girls or the little boys are using now. I hope people out there that's watching this video could take a lesson or two from my story. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, I will answer. And also, don't forget to subscribe to MC at RTP YouTube channel. Thank you very much.